Well, here we are in Kansas. We literally just crossed the line back over that bridge. And yeah, so I seen this neat little place here. Oh, look at that. Look at that little old gas pump right there. Looks pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. I don't know who that dude is. Oh, that's the Scarecrow, of course. Because where are we? We're in Kansas with Toto. Okay, this looks like Luigi's Pit Stop right there. And oh, look at that old vintage police car, huh? That's pretty neat, right? Hope that's coming out good. What are we talking about over here? Let's see here. Signed by the voice of the sheriff himself on the driver's side door. The sheriff's car is dedicated to Michael Wallace for his hard work and dedication to all the small towns on Route 66. So this is pretty neat. They got oh, so I guess someone must have just put this little pumpkin patch here in celebration of Halloween coming. But that's pretty cool, huh? Yeah, wow. Oh, look at this, is definitely old school. Oh, there's another, I think that's a gas station right there. Ah, crap. So we're going to have to stop there as well. So let's finish this up. I really stopped because I seen that tall miner right there. And I wanted to get some shots of him. And the locals are like, yeah, just another tourist. So let's just take a walk through here. I'm not sure if this has always been Luigi's Pit Stop, but it is now. Let's see. Smile, you're on camera. Well, you are too. So this is definitely fresh painted here, so that's wicked cool though. I like that. You know, I love my flag because I do love America. Let's see. What do we got here? Let's all go to the lobby to get ourselves a treat. I wonder if this place, oh, it must open, I guess. I don't know. It must be a little snack or stand or something. Something or other. Okay. All right, so, yeah, this is all pretty cool. All pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff here. Well, if you're into that vintage style of nostalgic America, that's pretty cool. What do we get back? Oh, that's funny. Oh, that's Dorothy. Or no, that's probably not Dorothy. That's probably the Queen. Or not the Queen, the Wicked Witch of the West. Oh, and there's the yellow brick road too. Oh, that's too funny. And then of course, there's no place like home, right? Yeah. Now there is no place like home. And I do love my home. But I just want to travel for a little bit and see the world. Well, at least see America anyways. I have no desire to go and deal with the rest of the crazies in the world. Oh, here we go. This is a cool, oh, so we've got a California 66. We've got an Arizona 66. So I imagine they have them all. 700 miles. Desert water bags, thermos jugs, ice, welcome. Okay, I don't know what that means. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool little post with all the mileages. Santa Monica, 1,700 miles to go. I'm really looking forward to Amarillo. There's a couple, well, at least one thing cool in Amarillo I want to see. All right. That's pretty cool. Howdy, y'all. And then we have, well, this is going this way actually. So this is 66 New Mexico. And then we have 66 Texas. And all the locals are probably like, yeah, just another freaking tourist. And here we are, 66 Kansas, which is where we are. And I imagine if there's, no, they're probably not going in order. This might be Oklahoma? I haven't seen Oklahoma yet. This is Missouri. so we just left Missouri, and that's Illinois, so that must be Oklahoma. Illinois. So that's the rest of the states. Oh, and I wonder if this is the bike that Dorothy was riding, or the hold us in your hands, O Lord, that our journeys in this life lead us home to you. Harry Young. May 8th, 2018. Heinz Gerd Bushel. Day after my birthday. Fun fact. Ghost bike placed in tribute to bicyclists hit by the vehicle while traveling on Route 66. Please watch out for bicyclists. Kansas Historic Route 66. Okay. Alright, that's interesting. So I guess it had nothing to do with Dorothy. But, alright, what's this miner doing? 19-foot homemade version of the modern muffler man. This large fiberglass statues were once used to advertise business and tourist attractions. This 21st century muffler man was named after the creator's grandfather, whose nickname was Frex, short for Freckles. He was also a miner who worked across the tri-state area. So that's pretty cool, right? Yeah, all right, so I think that's gonna do it for this little stop. I think there's actually just another stop like right up yonder. So I think that's where we're gonna be heading. And it looks like we have some company over here. All right, well, till the next one. Peace out.